Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Windows on-screen keyboard. Whether your physical keyboard isn't working or you need an accessible typing option, this guide will help you navigate it easily. Let's get started. Method 1. Open the on-screen keyboard using a shortcut. 1. Press Win-Control-O. This instantly opens the on-screen keyboard. If you accidentally closed it, use the same shortcut to reopen it. Method 2. Open the on-screen keyboard from Settings. 1. Click on the Start menu. Press Win or click on the Start button at the bottom left corner. 2. Go to Accessibility Settings. Type On-Screen Keyboard in the search bar. Click on On-Screen Keyboard from the results. 3. Turn it on. A virtual keyboard will appear on your screen, ready for use. Method 3. Open the on-screen keyboard using Run command. 1. Press Win-R to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type plain text OSK. 3. Press Enter, and the on-screen keyboard will appear. Features of the on-screen keyboard. Clickable keys. Click on any key using your mouse or touchscreen. Touchscreen support works great for tablets and touch-enabled devices. Predictive text suggests words as you type for faster input. Numpad and function keys. Press Options to enable extra keys if needed. When to use the on-screen keyboard? If your physical keyboard is not working. If you need an alternative input method for accessibility reasons. If you want to enter passwords securely without a physical keyboard. And that's how you use the on-screen keyboard in Windows. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.